Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Arilia Skarmustika. I am from Diplomatry Office Administration 2018, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will be present my thesis paper about analysis of the management system of the PUPR RI, a presentasi at the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI. Next, theoretical study. Theoretical study 1. Definition of management. Definition of management, according to Samsra, starting a management is a series of coordinations activities that include planning, organizing, directing, controlling, placing, and making a decision to produce effective and efficient product and service. Samsra 2020. According to Budiman, in his journal, he explained that management is everything related to the process of the use of the tools and information technology. Budiman 2070. So, I can conclude the management is an activities with the aim of coordinating both planning and decision making using tools or information technologies in order to produce effective and efficient decision for the resource contained in the related organization. 2. Definition of application. According to Mulyani and Maulana in their journal, an application is a computer application that is implemented or executed in a mobile environment such as cell phones, PDS, personal digital extension, tablet, PCs, personal computers, and other similar devices. Mulyani and Maulana 2018. According to Muhammad Makmur, Lita, Lia, and Aili Hafiz, start then an application is an software made by a computer company to perform certain tasks such as Make, Word, and Microsoft Excel. Makmur et al. 2019. So that I can conclude that the application is software which is applied to a storage in the form of a device or in the new form with the aim of being made to do a certain task in particular field that handles a problem. 3. Definition of presence system. According to Fendi Indra Pratama, Mustagrin and Ardian Fahreza in their journal explaining about electronic-based attendance system among other is presence using fingerprint tools and Android-based presence system. According to Nurnawati in her journal, a presence is an application used for data management, attendance, data for employees. Nurnawati 2020. Pratama et al. 2020. So, I can conclude that a presence is an attendance system in the form of the electronics application designed to monitor and simplify data management. Employee attendance data using a smartphone can be in the form of fingerprint device or Android system based. 4. Types of a presidency, according to Ayu and Mustafa in the journals explaining one from a presidency, namely QR code stored on each student's cell phone. Then the attendance process is carried out by showing the image that has been stored on the cell phone to a barcode reader. Ayu and Mustafa 2020. According to Kurniati, Ardelia, Artianti, Rizky, and Agus Hermawan in the journals argued that a presidency is a way of writing attendance using computerized tools either in the form of a RFID, radio frequency identification card, or fingerprint. Kurniati et al. 2020. So I can conclude that a presidency, which can be in the form of QR code, RFID, radio frequency identifications, and the application system for the smartphone itself, which can be obtained from a system that is already available itself in existing software, or the latter can use a from fingerprint system. 5. How to manage the presidency application properly and correctly, according to Chandra from the journal explaining about a presidency management is a process of recording activities for each attendance with the aim of knowing data and report related to the attendance of employees, the presence of employees returning, and the form of transaction carried out and at a certain time. Chandra 2020. According to Lila Setiani in her journal, she stated that management of the presidency application on Android mobile with the use of voice recognition is used to automatically identify or verify someone from a digital image or video, as a research. Setiani 2019. So I can conclude that the presidency application management is expected to be accompanied by documentation using a face recognition system to identify or verify when entering and returning to work, which is very sensitive in saying the personality of each party, the avoid cheating that is not desired. Thinking framework. In today's industrial development, many companies are materially improving their quality and productivity, which are carried in their respective fields of work. So it is necessary for the management of the PUPR-RI a presidency application which is used the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa Kementerian PUPR-RI that is related to features that make the sustainability less effective than registering the attendance of employees. Next, writing methodology. Next, I do observation activities on Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa Kementerian PUPR-RI from 1 February 2021 until 31 March 2021. Next, research methodology. Next, descriptive method of analysis. Next, in making this observation, I use the descriptive analysis method, which Margareta Tsai is in her journal, is a method that explains a situation under study with the support of literature studies so as to further strengthen the researcher analysis is making a final conclusion set by several theories that help in overcoming problems that occur at the research premises than analyzing a problem that occurs in the office until it finds its final conclusion. Data collection technique. 1. Observation research. According to Sugiono from Mulyani Journal, observation is a complex process, a process composed of various biological and physiological processes, is a method of collecting data through direct observation at the location of the study to obtain data and conclusion. Mulyati 2017. In the data collection technique, because I made direct observation to the location where the location took place to be researched, namely at the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, with the provisions given by Jakarta State University for 40 days starting from February 1, 2021 until 31 March 2021, which gets data to be processed into the information that helps in analyzing the problem that occur in the place. 2. Library research. According to Mulyati in her journal, this method is carried out by studying theoreticals and concepts related to problems and prefers journals in order to obtain an adequate theoretical basis for conducting a discussion. Mulyati 2017. In collecting data, it can be said that I use several supporting theoretics in adjusting to the problems, the strengthen and clarify the discussion in the analysis at the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, which are sought in order to get the right result and not divide from the signs that have been born before. Next, case description. Notice that ease of carrying out all activities has become something that is always wanted by various parties, both personally, explicitly, in official matters. Then with the arrival of the COVID-19 pandemic at Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, make access such as the use of the presence application. However, the application that was made turned out to lacking at the level of security and also at the time of data capture if needed. The case analysis technique that I use in finding a solution to solve the problems that occur at Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, analysis that occurred in the problems at the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, including the following. 1. Strength. A. Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI is a center that is in the category of managing the large river type A, which is the spotlight for other centers in terms of internal progress. B. A centralized leadership system that makes it easier to coordinate with superiors to submit arguments for suggestions and criticisms of problems. That happens as and less than optimal efficiency management. 2. Weakness. The number of employees who are not many, only reaching 90, becomes less concerned about attendance by underestimating the efficiency management system that lacks supervision, so that many neglect attendance matters. B. The attendance system that is not considered in managing the features that support the running efficiency is valid and complete. 3. Opportunities. A. Under a sponsor of government agency that purpose to make reforms for the advancement of government institutions in the industrial world. B. With the COVID-19 pandemic, the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, made updates is the efficiency system using the web-based efficiency application. 4. Threats. A. Due to the work from home system, the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, to monitor attendance with the efficiency application with the valid data entered by employers. B. Must be able to adjust to the current industrial condition where it is not left behind, with provide companies that appear to be more adaptable to technological development. Based on the result of the SWOT analysis above, it can decide problems that occur. The Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, are located in the area employee attendance, which is the efficiency applications management section, where the must again so as not cause from a irregularity understandable, so that it can cause injustice to other employees who of course follow office rules. Conclusion. Next one, during the research activities, the author carried out these activities at the Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, which lasted for 40 days starting from 1 February 2020 until 31 March 2020. 2. The problems that occur in the place under study, namely in the file of PUPR RI efficiency application management. The first is lacking features to increase security to avoid fraud, and the second is absence of features and recapitulating employee attendance data that has been entered into the applications. 3. The solution for the first problem is the addition of a photo or face scan feature that generate valid data and also increase security, and the second is by reproducing the database again in the applications. Next, suggestion. 1. Further, Balai Penelitian dan Pengembangan Irigasi, Direktorat Irigasi dan Rawa, Kementerian PUPR RI, to create optimization the application of existing system. It will be better to for the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta in the current development of industrial world for the future of the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta, especially of Office Administration Study Program, by adapting to existing era. For students, with the creation of the scientific world, it's hoped that the future student will be ready. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.